Hi everyone, it's Surkan. Today we have a problem when we are given an array nums and we need to find all triplets, sum of three elements, where the sum of three elements is equals to 0. So what we do as a solution for this problem? So first step that we do is we are sorting our array. So for example, we sorted our array, and the next step is that we are taking each element. For each element, we are taking that element, and for the rest of the array, so for example, our first element is -1 here, so we are taking -1, and for the rest of the array, we are using two-pointer approach, and we are looking for three elements that will, in combination of three elements, with including our the element that we're currently considering, that will give us 0. So for example, -1, our left pointer now pointing to the -1, and our right pointer points to the 2, right? So -1 plus -1 plus 2, does that give us 0? Yes, that gives us 0, so we are adding that as a first triplet. And the next one is we are moving our left pointer here, and we are moving our right pointer here, and now again we are taking that the -1 plus 0 plus 1. Does that gives us 0? Yes, that gives us 0, and we are adding that to our result. As a solution, what we do is we are creating an array result where we are adding our results, and we are sorting our array, and we are starting from the beginning of the array until the length of our nums -2. Why -2? Because the last element will be handled by the right pointer. And the next thing that we do is we are checking that if there is a duplicate, then we are skipping that. So we should not add the duplicates to our result. Now we are setting our left pointer, which is I plus 1, and we are setting our right pointer, which is the last element, and we are checking that at each step, so until our left is less than our right, so we are checking the total. We are taking the nums I, our current element, so the value at the left pointer and the value at the right pointer. So we are checking that if the total is equals to 0, so we are adding that to our result, and also we need to skip duplicates here, right? So we are skipping the duplicates while again our left is less than right, and nums left equals to nums left plus 1, so which means that the two adjacent elements, they are equal. Then in that case we are moving our left pointer. The same thing we are doing for the right pointer. If two adjacent elements are equal, then in that case we are moving our right pointer, right? So in this case, left pointer we are moving forward, and the right pointer we are moving backward. After that we are just incrementing left pointer and the right pointer. If not, if the total is less than 0, so which means that we need to increase that, right? So we are moving our left pointer, and if the total is more than, so which means that we need to decrease, and we need to decrease the value, and we are moving our right pointer. And at the end we are returning result, which contains all our triplets. So what's the time and space complexity of this solution? The time complexity in this solution is n square, because we are going for each element, we are using a two-pointers approach. So for each element n, and for the two-pointer, the going through the array is n, so n multiplied by n square, and the space complexity in this case is constant because we are not using any extra space. Here we are using a result, but that's part of the result that we are returning, so this array, so we are not using any additional memory here. So our space complexity in this case of 1. Okay, that's it for today. I also have identical solution in Java. I will include that in the description. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.